Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and conclude on the last episodes of Uthando Nesthembu. So now these are the episodes that I made on TikTok that I shared with the people on my TikTok page. So enjoy them and tell me what you think about Uthando Nesthembu. Do leave a comment, but most of all, please, please, please subscribe. Let us get to 8,000 subscribers. So I think it's very clear, Basalan, or Mayeni is no longer in this temple, right? And if we believe she is, then I know we naive. Come girl na fela pelo ka thing like Umseleku, every time he opens his mouth, it was as if Umayeni could puke, literally. But okay, fine, sharp, no problem. In an event where Umayeni decides to leave, right? And she's like, I know, no, I can't do this anymore. Will umnini cope, guys? Because the way umnini akhala ngakhona, like ke worried ka selo samnini kore selo samnini ke thibang gore nka tsena ka mo TV ka mo didimatsa ka mo tuntuletsa ngwanola wa lla lena. Do you think ukuthi umnini is going to cope in an event where Umayeni decides ukuthi no, even staying for the kids is no longer worth it at this point? Like, this is the point where I need to Vamos, like me saying, hey, I'm doing this for the kids, it's not working. Because she even went there to the vacation, to the family vacation for the kids. But the way she was so miserable, and the kids are going to see Mama Rona enjoy. So what's the point of us being here if Mama Rona enjoy? Unless maybe the kids' activities will be separate from the parents' activities. Even if Umseleku wants to make a lousy joke, girl, ha khatle ke selo Mseleku kore we one mo ngwanyana wa ha khatle ke selo ha teng ada Mayeni lona